Maintenance of electrical equipment, important subject for 6M. Full explanation curriculum wise or limits. Then the unit number 1 is safety and prevention of accident. There are 4 points in that unit and whole marks are 10. So the 1.1 is safety practices, safety hazards, accidents, do's and don'ts for electrical supervisors. 1.2 is electric shock factors influencing severity of shock, rescuing persons, procedures for artificial respiration. 1.3 is precautions against electric fire, use of fire extinguishers, actions in case of such fires, types and operation of fire extinguishers. I will discuss it whole unit in the next lecture. 1.4 is earthing of electric equipment. Refer IS code IS 3043-1987. Objectives: classification of electrical equipment with regard to prevention against electric shock. Class 0 to 3. Unit number 2 is maintenance schedule. So the 2.1 is maintenance, routine breakdown, preventive and predictive maintenance, factors affecting preventive maintenance schedules. 2.2 is recommended maintenance schedules. Transformers IS 10028 Part 3 1981. Single phase and 3 phase induction motors IS 900 1992. 3 phase alternators and synchronous motors. Chapter number 3 is testing and maintenance of rotating machine. 3.1 is there are 4.4 topic in unit number 3. One is testing need and standards, tolerance types, routine type, special and supplementary test, method of testing, direct, indirect and regenerative with advantages and applications. 3.2 is induction motor testing, routing type and special test of single phase induction motor as per IS 757 to 1974, reaffirmed in 2002, and 3 phase induction motor as per IS 4029 2010. 3.3 is alternator and synchronous motor testing, routing type and special test of 3 phase alternator and synchronous motor as per IS 7132 1973. 3.4 is troubleshooting chart for single phase and 3 phase induction motor IS 900 1992. Unit number 4 is testing and troubleshooting of transformers. 4.1 is testing type, routing and special test as per IS 2026 1981 for distribution and power transformers. Procedure for conducting following test: measurement of winding resistance, no load loss and no load current, impedance, voltage, load losses, insulation resistance, induced over voltage withstand test, separate source voltage withstand state, impulse voltage withstand state test, temperature test of oil and winding, different methods of determining temperature rise, back to back test, short circuit test, open delta state test, dissolved gas analysis. 4.2 is causes of failure, internal and external type of faults, mechanical, electrical and magnetic. Point 3 is troubleshooting and remedies, troubleshooting chart for single phase transformers. Unit number 50 is maintenance of electrical machine, insulation. In this chapter, insulation important. So there are 6 points in this unit. 5.1 is classification of insulation materials as per IS 8504 1994. 5.2 is factors affecting life of insulating material. 5.3 is measurement of insulation resistance and interpretation of condition of insulation. 5.4 is transformer oil properties. Contaminating agents test. 5.5 is strengthening insulation's weakness agents against agents, cleaning, drying, reversing, baking, impregnation, and filtration. 5.6 is measures to be taken to maintain the insulation resistance of electrical machines to healthy levels. Unit 6 is installation. Is the last unit. There are 6 units in this subject. So there are 4 points in this unit number 6. So 6.1 is factors involved in designing the machine. 6.2 is foundations requirements for static machine, foundations factors governing them. For 6.3 is foundation requirement and factors affecting rotating machine foundation. 6.4 is tools, instruments, bearing, puller, filler, gauge, dial, indicator, spirit level, maker, earthing test, groveler test, lamps, multimeters, spanner sets, and screwdrivers. All chapters I will explain one by one. So subscribe this channel for explanation and notes of all unit.